DocAI is a Python package that utilizes large language models to extract structured information from documents. This technique is particularly useful for extracting specific data points from unstructured or semi-structured documents, such as PDF and text files. DocAI leverages the power of deep learning algorithms to identify patterns and relationships within documents, allowing users to quickly and accurately extract relevant data. The package also offers features like named entity recognition, part-of-speech tagging, and sentiment analysis, making it a versatile tool for document processing. DocAI structured information extraction capabilities make it an essential toolkit for industries such as finance, healthcare, and legal services, where accurate data retrieval is crucial. The utility of DocAI lies in its ability to simplify complex data processing tasks, allowing users to focus on higher-level decision-making.